So, so in this video, I'm going to unboxing Micromax A106 Unite 2. Yes, it's a budget-oriented phone for us. Working very well and with Lollipop update. Let's check this device. So, I'm opening this device. I got this from Flipkart. Yes, I order a bulk order for my personal use and my office purpose. So this is the device from Micromax A106 Unite 2. So with lollipop and 5 megapixel camera with a dual SIM and 200 megahertz battery, so, and 4.7 inch display. So let us open. This is the device which is front side black and back side white. So let's check for the accessories. Charger, battery, headset, and screen card, and USB cable. These manuals, safety manuals, and quick user guide, and also yes. So let us check for the device. This tear this and open this, and also open the battery. This is the very large battery, which is 2000 megahertz power amps, mega amps. Yes. So I inserted my SIM and I'm inserting this battery. So let's power on this device. It's a low budget phone for us with front cam and dual SIM and also 4.7 with Lollipop update, 8 GB internal RAM, sorry, 8 GB internal storage and 1 GB RAM. It consists with here is the only great thing, Lollipop update with 5.0. So we can also upgrade to 5.1 manually. Yes. So as usual, let us set up this device in English and press next, continue. Next, I'll skip everything. I will do later. Skip. Yes. So here's the device. Here is the device. So thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe my channel for more updates.